Hello guys, it's FM back with another video. Today I have noticed an interesting stat that 89% of my viewers haven't subscribed. So please subscribe for more tech videos, reviews and custom ROM reviews. So let's start today's video. Today I have installed DerpFest 12 May update on my Redmi Note 9 Pro. In short words, don't install this ROM. You would be guessing why. In the 24 hours I've been with this ROM, it has random reboots. So I won't recommend this ROM. If you like the UI and features set, you can try changing kernel and using it. But I've used it with the stock kernel Exorcist and it has random reboots. This has the derpfest launcher by default and has even themed icons option in the app drawer, which is very nice, and it also has multi-line option and as well. You also get May security patch. It was merged fast than any other RAW that I've seen for miatoll. You also get derp space with shit ton of features which you will ever need. You can change font icons, status bar icons, Wi-Fi icons and signal icons. You also have any options to disable unlimited Google Photos option. You also have kill button for notifications. You also have many options for quick settings. You can enable notification reticker. You can also enable the brightness slider at the bottom of the quick settings or top as you wish. You also have the usual battery icon options, and you also have a special feature which colors the battery icon according to the percentage, which is very nice. Like below 50% it would turn orange and above 50 it will be green as such. You also get every navigation option like gestures, 2 button and 3 button. You also have other features like quick torch, quick tap, swipe to screenshot, one-handed gestures as well. You also get an OT updated, but it's not useful as the developer changes trees or something every time, and you got a clean flash it, or it would cause issues. You also get thermal profiles, which would be a gem for gamers, but this ROM has random reboots, so I won't be using this ROM. And the Gcam works well, and also I almost forgot that it also comes with ANX camera by default, which is a great addition for MIUI camera lovers. You also get safety net passes by default, and DRM info is L1 as well. But another issue I've seen is that location is always used by the phone services application. It's a bug from Google side, I guess, as iOS also has this bug in the May security patch update. You also have another bug which has been existent on this ROM for a long time, since 4 updates or before. As the in landscape mode, the quick settings notification gets fucked up. See, it just drains battery while this location thing is being used, even though the location is turned off. You also get an option to enable or disable the pixel stats battery provider, which is it to be on a new battery stats is better than the Pixel one. Battery life is just average on this ROM, and I'd give this ROM a 5 by 10 because of the random reboots, and I gave it a 5 because of the nice UI and some specific features that I love, which this ROM contains. This ROM also has some UI bugs which I hate, so I think 5 is an apt rating for this ROM. So until the next video, thank you. Please subscribe and comment your suggestions.